Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 Bast 3D printer. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. Meet the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, a fully automatic high-speed 3D printer built for beginners and pros who want fast, clean, and reliable prints. At around $239, this printer delivers serious value with Core XY high-speed performance, auto-leveling, and professional-grade features, usually found in much more expensive machines. Ultra-fast printing up to 600 mm per second for rapid prototypes. Fully auto-leveling, no manual calibration headaches. 280 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder for flexible plus strong materials. 3-second detachable nozzle system, super easy maintenance. Core XY all-metal structure, stable, precise, vibration-reduced printing. 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume, perfect for models, parts, and creative projects. Plug-and-play design, start printing quickly with minimal setup. Pros: very fast printing speed for its price. Easy setup with auto-leveling. Strong print quality with stable Core XY frame. Beginner-friendly but powerful. Cons: build volume is average, not for very large prints. High-speed mode may need tuning for perfect detail. Limited upgrade/customization compared to open-source printers. Number 4. Creality K2 SE 3D printer. Meet the Creality K2 SE 3D printer, a high-speed Core XY machine built for fast, precise, and even multicolor 3D printing with upgrade-ready performance. Priced around $299, this printer brings premium features like 500 mm per second speed, auto-leveling, and multicolor support via CFS system at a very competitive cost. 500 mm per second high-speed printing, ultra-fast production. Multicolor printing support, CFS system. Create detailed, colorful models. Auto bed leveling, accurate first layer every time. Direct drive extruder, better for flexible and strong filaments. Solid metal Core XY frame, stable, low vibration, high precision. Quick swap nozzle system, easy maintenance and less downtime. Build volume, 220 by 215 by 245 mm, balanced size for most projects. Designed for smooth workflow from beginner to advanced users. Pros: extremely fast printing speed, 500 mm per second. Multicolor capability adds creative freedom. Strong, stable metal frame. Easy leveling and maintenance system. Good value for $299 range. Cons: multicolor setup may require extra CFS accessory cost. Not ideal for very large prints. High-speed printing may need fine-tuning for perfect detail. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D printer. Meet the Creality Ender 3v3 Plus, a next-gen Core XZ high-speed 3D printer designed for faster, smoother, and more stable printing with professional-level results. At around $378, this printer delivers 600 mm per second ultra-speed performance, auto-leveling, and a large build volume, making it a powerful upgrade in the Ender series for the price. Core XZ system with up to 600 mm per second speed, extremely fast printing. Fully auto-leveling, perfect first layer without manual setup. Direct drive extruder, handles PLA, PTG, and flexible filaments. Stable metal frame design, reduces vibration for better accuracy. Tri-metal nozzle, stronger, longer-lasting, and heat-resistant. Large build volume, 11.8 by 11.8 by 13.0 inches. Great for big models. Smooth, upgraded motion system for cleaner high-speed prints. Pros: very high printing speed, up to 600 mm per second. Large build volume for bigger projects. Strong, stable construction. Beginner-friendly auto-leveling. Great upgrade from older Ender models. Cons: higher price than basic Ender printers. High-speed mode may reduce fine detail slightly. Still needs tuning for best performance in advanced prints. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Meet the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, a fast, beginner-friendly 3D printer designed to bring smooth upgrades, automatic setup, and reliable everyday printing. At just around $219, this is one of the best budget 3D printers offering auto-leveling, fast 250mm per second speed, and upgraded direct drive performance for creators on a budget. Print speed up to 250mm per second, much faster than older Ender models. CR Touch Auto Leveling, easy setup, perfect first layer. Sprite Direct Drive Extruder, supports PLA, PTG, and TPU flex materials. Dual Z-axis system, better stability and smoother prints. Auto filament loading, simple and beginner-friendly operation. Build size, 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inch, good for small to medium projects. Designed as a true upgrade from classic Ender 3 series. Pros. Very affordable at $219. Easy setup with auto leveling. Great for beginners and hobbyists. Supports flexible filaments like TPU. Solid upgrade from older Ender 3 models. Cons. Smaller build volume than higher-end printers. 250mm per second speed is good, but not ultra-fast class. Not ideal for very large or industrial prints. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Meet the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, a budget-friendly high-speed 3D printer designed for beginners who want easy setup and reliable everyday printing. At only around $186, this is one of the cheapest upgraded Ender printers with auto-leveling, direct drive, and fast printing performance. Great value for beginners and hobbyists. Up to 250mm per second print speed, faster than classic Ender models. CR Touch Auto Leveling, no manual bed leveling needed. Sprite Direct Drive Extruder, supports PLA, PTG, and TPU flexible filament. Dual Z-axis system, improves stability and print accuracy. Auto filament loading, quick and beginner-friendly setup. Build volume, 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inch, perfect for small to medium prints. Easy assembly design, get printing quickly with minimal effort. Pros. Very affordable price at $186. Easy for beginners to start printing. Auto leveling saves time and frustration. Supports flexible materials like TPU. Stable dual Z-axis design. Cons. Smaller build volume. Not the fastest in the market today. Limited for large or professional grade projects. If you're starting 3D printing or upgrading on a budget, this is a solid pick. Check the link in the description for the latest price. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more 3D printer reviews and comparisons.